Traders, August 15, 2018, the market is closed. Going to report on NNSR. We've been doing updates recently. News came out of the reverse merger completion. There's supposed to be more news coming out this week, but as of today, actually starting from yesterday, about the afternoon, took back its profits this morning. Dropped lower, but been in this trading range. It looks like support's around this level over here, and it's getting more volatile, so that looks good. But we also have a lot of news coming, so look for this as more of a news play. We might see some more shaky bouncing around here, these levels, until we get the news we want. Goal is for it to break this high right here at roughly at a penny, and we'll see where it goes. Once again, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher, or visit my site for upcoming live trading course, thetradingteacher.com.